So we're running a competition today at Rusty Fundi. We're trying to keep blacksmithing alive in Kenya, and we've got a bunch of new guys in the company. So we're going to try and fill the position for somebody to be a traditional blacksmith here. So that basically means working cold bits of metal, like this one, into something useful, like this. So the technique is really old, it dates back to many years ago, and yeah, we think that it could be fun to reintroduce it. So let's have a look and see how everybody gets on.
Si pas compable, ouais, je m'en fous, c'est pas mes limbs, ça. I never treated you for nothing.